Cybersecurity, good, better, and best. Where would you get started? I'm Woody Huffines. I'm the Nerds to Go in McKinney in Frisco, Texas, and this is Tech for the Untechnical. Like anything else, if you're looking to have cybersecurity as a part of what you do as a regular basis for your home or small, medium business, there are levels of cybersecurity protections that you can put in place. And we have a lot of discussions at Nerds to Go, both corporately and with our corporate IT people, about what does good, better, and best mean. Well, let's start with the good. If you're going to have good cybersecurity or cyber hygiene, if you will, the first thing that you want to do is install a good antivirus on every endpoint, every computer that can take it. What you want is an antivirus and malware scanning tool that also includes EDR, which is endpoint detection and response. The endpoint detection and response means that if a computer gets something bad on it, it'll take it off the network and then give you some remediation things that you can do, which is a little better than most of the commercially available antiviruses. So the first thing is a good antivirus. The second thing is a strong password policy. And those need to be strong, cryptographically secure passwords. And the best way to implement that is with a good password manager. I use LastPass, even though they got hacked. I understand just about everybody gets hacked, but the LastPass user interface is really good. Now, that strong password manager will make sure that you're not reusing passwords, which is a big no-no. It will help you develop good cryptographically strong passwords that you can use. And it also, because the password manager fills your passwords in when you go to a site, if it doesn't recognize the site, like if somebody, there's a thing that's called typo squatting, where they'll instead of having Google, Google, they'll put G00GLE and then send it to you in an email. And if you click on that website and you go there, your password manager says, hey, this isn't Google, and they don't fill the password. So strong passwords, good password manager. And the third thing that you can do, it's the good level that everyone can reach relatively easily, is not only have strong passwords, but implement multi-factor authentication. Now, you can do that with SMS on your phone, which is okay. The Google Authenticator or the Microsoft Authenticator is a much better way of going about multi-factor authentication. And every time you go to log into a website that's protected by multi-factor authentication, on your phone there'll be a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds that you have to go in and enter. Now, did a video on multi-factor authentication before. Here's a link up here. You can go look at a little bit more about multi-factor. Okay, so strong antivirus with EDR. You want strong passwords. You want to use a password manager to get those strong passwords. The next thing you want to do, especially if you have a laptop, is encrypt your data in rest or in transit. That means if you're backing something up to the cloud, it needs to be encrypted when it goes. It needs to be encrypted when it's at rest. So whether it's in movement across the network or it's sitting still in your computer, encrypted data is always better. If you lose your laptop, you don't want someone to get everything that you've done in the last 5 years in your email, which is in your laptop. And finally, a good backup plan. And by backup, I mean 3 copies, 2 different media, 1 off-site, or even better is a disaster recovery or business continuity backup plan, which allows you to recover a lot more quickly because you can spin up a virtual machine in the cloud and get to your data even before you get a new computer, if it's a lost computer or you damage a computer or something like that. So that backup, especially a backup with disaster recovery or business continuity. If you do those 5 things, then you have at least reached the level of good cybersecurity hygiene. If you need help with those things, reach out to us at Nerds to Go in McKinney. Give us a call. We'll discuss them with you. As always, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, and we'll see you again soon.